Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the Steam QR code on PC so that you can use it when setting up or using SteamGuard for safer sign-ins. So this is helpful because SteamGuard adds extra protection to your Steam account instead of only using your password. So Steam can ask for a confirmation or a code from your phone, which helps keep your account more secure. So to start, open Steam on your computer and make sure that you are signed into your account. And once you are inside Steam, look at the top left side of the screen and click on Steam. After that, choose Settings from the menu. And when the Settings window opens, look for the Security section. This is where you can manage the safety options for your account. And from here, click Manage Steam Guard. Now you will see the Steam Guard options for your account. If you want to use the QR code feature, choose the option that lets you get Steam Guard codes from the Steam app on your phone. So this connects your Steam account to the Steam mobile app and gives you stronger login protection. After you choose these options, Steam may show a QR code on your PC screen, and open the Steam app on your phone and go to Steam Guard and follow the steps shown there. You can also use your phone to scan the QR code from your computer screen and finish the setup. So once it is set up, Steam may ask you to confirm future logins using the Steam mobile app, and this makes signing in more secure, especially when you are using a new device. And that is basically how you can find and use the Steam QR code on PC for Steam Guard. So just go to Steam settings, open the security section, and manage Steam Guard, and choose the mobile app option. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.